Okay, do I look like I am considering like shaking like a tarr? Do I look like a tarr? Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a really long time. I've done like a makeup sit down yana video. Actually, I never do sit down videos. What am I saying? But yeah, I was thinking, because this hat is out. Like, this hat is out, it's looking cute. So I was thinking of doing this. I don't know, I'm gonna put it up the screen because like when I was showing it the first, you can't really see. All you see is a reflection. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna just put it up here somewhere. Yeah, and I'm not gonna do foundation. I'm just gonna do the concealers and stuff because my skin is starting to irritate me. So I'm like, I am not about to risk. Oh, this lifted my wig nyan. But Vela, I'm not doing my forehead. I'm just gonna do concealer, and then I'm just gonna do like a nice silver eye lip gloss. It's already giving vibes with this hat. Like, yeah. I just want to come down here and say that and just introduce myself. I don't know if I'm gonna, I don't know, I don't think I'm gonna, get a mang. Get a mang. I said that last time. I thought I was like, oh, I'm just gonna show, oh, this is foundation, da 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 da. This is concealer, da 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 da. Yappa, in between. So I'm just gonna talk. Yeah. Let's just start. I don't know why my camera is doing that weird, like, reflective. Can you see? It's making my eyes look. Yeah, man. Let's. You see? I said I was not gonna yap. Let me show the products. I look crazy right now, but oh my gosh, I forgot to put my color corrector, my red one. I usually use, where is it? Wait, yeah, but my god, I already organized this. Oh, there it is. If I were not taking my, I forgot to use my color corrector, guys. And I think I put too much concealer today. I think I cool is too much. I'm trying to not speak too much like Zulu in the video because that means I have to translate. And I do randomly say it. So if I do ish, like I do randomly like just say phrases out of nowhere because there was.
What the dog doing?
I'm actually just gonna keep on translating instead of like it takes so much time. Yo, I don't know why I put too much. I put too much, and then the camera is doing this weird halo thing. Like, what is wrong? What is wrong with my phone? I think because there's a screen protector here, and then like the screen protector is going up, so it's probably creating that halo because the crack is across like the camera, front camera. So that could be the problem. Yeah, I mean it's not too bad, but most of the blending is gonna be done by this. Let's just fast forward that. Oh, I don't know if I should take off my pimple patch. I'm not sure. But yeah.
What the dog doing?
I don't know what's going on. I look like Gyagul. I look like I'm sick. I forgot to say I have two of these. This one has more like yellow, like no, is it the more? Oh, this is the more yellow tone with darker, and this is more like the. You can see they're different. Yeah. Yeah. And guys, man, why they're doing too much? Doesn't want to double down. I don't know if I should put powder. I'm scared if I'm gonna put powder. I mean, it's giving cold girl. But I kind of like the lighting. The lighting was looking bad in my first this pimple thing. It's so annoying. I want to take it out, but I don't want to risk like causing, because I think it's like it's open. So I think like, what am I saying? It's like what am I saying? Okay, it's like an open wound. You know what I mean? So I don't want to like infect it. So I don't want to cause my skin problems because I'm putting things on my face right now. You know, because it's open. You get what I'm saying? I hope you get what I'm saying. I'm not just saying nonsense. Okay. We just have to live with this. I really don't know what is happening. I want to put some powder on. Is this gonna just make it worse? Probably. Oh, and my housemate got me this, so literally so practical. Like, it gives all my brushes, and the brushes will be like, he didn't clean me, and I'm looking at them as they decorate my desk. Did I show you that I'm using this powder, or did I forget? Yeah. I'm just gonna put the powder on time lapse again, cause like I yap a lot, so I'm trying to not yap too much. I'm trying to use the smallest one. My brushes, I don't even have many anymore. I don't know if I should get more brushes. I used to have so much. A lot are left at home, but some you can tell it's been time, and I had this since 2019. Some of them. I think these are the most recent ones, because I never had a smaller ones. These are the most recent ones. These are like 2018, 2019. Gakchela. They are. Oh, this is recent too. These are not bad. But they stay standing strong. The others are gone. Right? Let me put the powder.
What the dog doing?
I don't know. Whatever. Every time I do makeup for YouTube, I'm always having something I do not like about my face, which I really do not. Like, I contour my nose, because obviously I didn't put foundation, and you can tell your skin though is not make sure. So I forgot to show you the product. Yeah. Change to Angioni makeup guru. I like to play with makeup. There's a difference. Oh, this is cute with my ears out like that. Okay. That's so cute, actually. So, I should have done now. Yeah, it's fine. Babe, I have a natural like cheekbone looking. See, naturally like that. But I don't want to enhance it because I don't really like it for some reason. You know what? It looks like a line, like it looks so harsh, and I don't know if I just use my nose for this one shit. Like, I freestyle. I'm just playing with my face right now. Yeah, I'm gonna just fast forward the blending of these, so at least my face has definition. Because I feel like the concealer just washed me away. Yeah. Time lapse time. Hey, so when I get results, I'm literally not feel comfortable. I think it's some people like this as a look, but I don't know. But this giving cold like kakakazela. Not doesn't look too bad, but wow, these pimples. I need to like do my eyebrows too. But I'm gonna just start with my cheeks. Half of my time I'm just I organize my stuff, but as soon as I open it, I see everywhere. Oh, I think I'm gonna use these ones. I only used them once for that Gyaru kind of makeup video last year. There, my current favorite one. It gives a sun-kissed vibe. Doesn't have like a pink. I need like, link me up to a pink one that is complementary to my skin tone, because I've seen pink ones but they're a bit ashy on me. Yeah, and this Maybelline one is like a sunsetty type of vibe one. Why is it getting dark? Yeah, but this is more of like a sunset vibe. Doesn't give like pinky. It's given like I'm on vacation, but I want cutesy cutesy, and a lot of like these makeup videos are. Sorry, I'm just mad at why does this look so dark now? Hey, man, when I go to the time lapse, it's so bright. Then when I go, it's just sorry for the lighting, guys. Yeah. Now I'm looking at a bird. Anyway, I'm just saying, if you guys know a pink blush I can match my skin, link it. Fuck it down below, guys. I really need like one that matches my skin tone, that has like, it would look. Okay, I'm bringing out my Crocs. I know that's weird, but it would look this pink on my skin. That's the only reference I can give you. But yeah, let me continue because I'm yapping too much. It's giving blush blindness, or is this overdoing it? Oh my gosh, it's giving blush blindness. Big ups to Maybelline. Like this shows. It doesn't make me look ashy or disappear on my skin, because I used to use this palette, pink, as you can see, as blush. So I am so happy that it does show on my skin, because every time I have bad luck with blush, either I look ashy, or it doesn't show at all. Okay, I'm thinking of using this just to do a little highlight nyana. And also, I think I'm gonna play with silvers now, but I think, okay, no, I'm gonna do my eyebrows then. Okay, for my eyes, I'm gonna play with this, like these cool tones, because I'm giving winter girl. Like, yes, it's starting to be cold, and I'm like, yeah, summer. And I actually have life group, so am I gonna show up in life group like looking like I'm going somewhere? I don't know. The thing is doing its thing. I don't know if I should put some on my nose. Okay, I don't want it to be too much. Just a little, you know what I mean? I'm gonna do my eyebrows in fast mode. Yeah.
What the dog doing?
I just stuck with my natural eyebrows, and I feel like my eyebrows have grown a lot, because I've been using rosemary water on my hair. So I think, I don't know how, I'm not using it on my eyebrows, so I wonder, or I use rose water for my skincare too. Could it be that, or my intake of iron, that my iron got really better? I don't know, honestly, but I just want to went for a natural look. I just added a little darkness here towards the ends. I didn't do much for the eye. Just it's like a kind of a natural look. I just want to look like a Kazela, like, you know what I mean? It looks like a Kazela a little bit, you know, especially with the hair. It looks kind of cute. I was actually stressed. I was about to, I didn't show you. Oh, the brand doesn't show you anymore. I forgot where I got it. But I was in Foschini with my mom. But I forgot where I got it. But it was in Foschini, but I forgot what brand. Just a little eye. A little pick. A little. A little. Yeah. Just a little za. Not too much of it. And I'm thinking of using these. I don't know, I'm probably just gonna use the beads. Oh, the stars. We'll see. Scissor bone.
What the dog doing?
Singboyele to Yap. I'm back to Yap. I'm repeating myself. I don't know if I'm gonna put lashes. I don't think so. I'm not gonna put lashes on. It would be cute, but I don't know. My lashes are quite long, and I think I wanted like this natural cold look. So pretty. I love this. This is the girl. Like, she will give the shimmer. Like, shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Swalla la la. Yeah, I'm making lipstick look like a lip tint. I didn't even show you. This is the red Maybelline. Now I need a shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah on my lips. Essence. They made it more pink. Because never show us this pink. Maybe because I already have this red on my lip. And I see a lot of girlies. It's giving lip tint. Oh, I'm putting it on my skin. Because it already has this pink hue. But not like this. That looks like Gazelle. Use the shimmy shimmy yay or a little beaded moment. But I always use the bead. This will go shimmy shimmy yay namhlanje. Today. Ooh, shimmy shimmy yay, shimmy yeah, shimmy yeah. Swalla la la. Okay, do I look like I am considering like shaking? Like a tarr. Do I look like a tarr? I'm joking. Yeah, I don't know. This pimple patch is just adding to just avoid it. Let me go there. But yeah, this is the final touches, and I hope what I'm looking in the mirror is saying the same thing right there on the camera. But I'm gonna take camera pictures now for the thumbnail or probably potential Instagram post. Yeah. What am I doing? Love you. Hope you like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this semi-chaotic video. I'm gonna take pictures now. You'll see them on the gram and the thumbnail. If you want to see more, okay, I'm not sure. It could be a story, could be a post. I really see. I will really see. I really see. That means I had to look like this when I go study. Ha!
What the dog doing?
Actually, let me leave.